Alright guys, so as you guys see us behind us, we got something in the daylight finally. It's been several months since we started working on this thing. Well, we're going to go get
water out of it.
Yeah, we had to get water out of it. It holds water still. But we have to go get the motor mounts professionally welded. Where are we going? Where are we going? She's gonna weld them all up for us, right? You're gonna weld it?
Yeah.
She's gonna weld it for us. So, are you a professional?
Yeah.
She's a professional. There was a cop behind us, so hopefully we don't get pulled over.
Yeah. No.
If so, it's all her fault. It's all your fault, okay?
Yeah. I'm gonna go tonight.
You're gonna go to the jail.
No.
So with that being said, we'll catch you guys as soon as we get to the professional welding place where she can weld. Catch you guys then. Alright, so we made it here. We found out one problem. The big old hole that we cut, there's one hole. There's one leak. Which is okay. We can deal with that. So, that being said, you guys stay tuned. We gotta take that motor out. That way we can weld stuff the proper way, right? You welding everything, right?
Yeah.
She's gonna weld everything for us.
Yeah.
So, if it breaks, it's on you. You're gonna take the blame for it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh. 30 minutes. Shorter than that. It's a 3, 2, 1, go.
Why didn't you tell me I was too far in? You made me break my light. Alright, motor's out. Now we have to take all these motor mounts back off. Should be fun.
Hello, guys. Hello. Hello. Hey, Brother Devin. Oh, God. Visiting Jumbo. But after we get to the... Daddy, where is the bow?
Alright, so we got it all ready to be welded. You ready to weld? Tiger it. Ah, she got me. But anyways, got it all ready. Gotta get the welder out. So. You know how to use this? She says yeah. So. You know how to use this?
Yeah.
Alright. You guys stay tuned. Alright, so got them welded. We gotta go cool them off real quick. Then we will put them back on and hopefully everything lines up. Hopefully. Alright, so we're home with the jumbo. We have to figure out, we have leaks. We know that there's leaks. There has to be leaks. Otherwise, I didn't build it. So we're going to see how bad they are. We're going to see how bad they are. You guys know the deal. You got leaks, get you a bucket of water, dump in it. You guys hang on. Right here, no leaks. That's a problem that I thought I was going to have, is leaks around here. But no leaks there. So, tell you the truth, I don't know if we have leaks. Dump the whole bucket in there. We're gonna crawl under her somewhere. Lead right here. Alright, I see some. Alright, so we got a leak there. I guess I need to go get my marker. Alright, so we got any spot where there's yellow, it's where we leaks. We got leaks. So far this side's not too bad. The other side's way worse. So that's a good thing. Now I gotta try to get out of here. Know how it is. Just try to fit. Alright, we're out. So, got the leaks, marked them. Now we're gonna have to pull the motor back out, flip it upside down, figure out what we can do to it to stop them leaks. So, we'll be doing that on the next video because this is gonna be a long enough video. So, thanks for watching. Remember, push yourself to push yourself to make your dreams come true. To make your dreams come true, just keep pushing yourself. That being said, we'll catch you guys on the next one.